Oso bw'umugusi.
Tariki mirongo ibiri na emo mwancho morigeria cy'umutinyuga Ikomi mwaka igabwe kiri bubere mirongo ibiri na isano Chinsa Ikomi chia bono marogoba nago kwandya ndonsi asore no gusaba kwarenga no gendote gutwara imarogoba entoeru na bigo no gendote kwegokya nemirobiri agendreta sembeo yensoko TV nechinga kibono ngo kwarigania hasa Amayia kuru ensoko Chinsa Ikomi asenchira yubwenge torigeria na raria ya aenekiwe na raria gendote kwenekiwa na bigo na raria to gendote kwarigandia asenchira yubwikira gikoroga ensa amo na isato chubut kubwadron chinkuru kwa Clinton ndigi karanse koberenche kurbono wikomwe. Karibu sana naende bono Amayia kurwa ensoko Chinsa Ikomi togo chakana roboti rokubwatia kerense ya Kenya ya chengerite rituko ria banyankongo abuigoro rituko ria rimanyika indi buna mashuja nigo bono eamate ya nyagosira Hezakaya Nyamori kurwa nyaguta eward ya Kiogore bunge ya Nyaribari chache county ya Kisii bakorogwamo no murugyo ya Gladys Kimayo no mochokoroye homonene Felistas Samuel ye sokire na kogania obokonyi kwenekia homunyankongo yo hoiruete kurwandra ensi ya Kenya sama minyoko asabuete a gold mwaka 1972 hime ya Munich en seria ya Germany ase chimberu chichimita chiminye arakane asegetiyo yo siro bage mabwae tarikisano na ibere chumo tionyoiga kopasira yo gokora ebilia nyagitari na komwenia asenchira ya maskani
marietane ni gonkoro ku Felista Moige incheno mochokoro gocha senge ya somoga koyo osirire timbo atia mange ngukwana nche ndo mwenga samangana ringane monale nge goteba neli sokoro no montoletete eska sense ya Kenya mostly ekra lengo mwaka 1972 eske etanya kobunwa kurenga ke inoton lini Kenya mpaka no ene entire Africa patirende sokora abo morwera iande there ntu atema koligi abarai baito tochorete bari tomaitenga ngakiyo mochando no tokominyoka gochi kwanza bune hire yakaro ya ruali na litokomnyoko gochiara lakini rende bakonyi ntonyoreti enalenge gosaba serikali yeto ya Kenya president yeto William Samuel Ruto nenga kitogo chigosherekea amasucha ito bono korugusiga iga chinga kimwalenje gosherekea mwaka mochire mwa murangeri bono orarire ntengo so osarora kwanenga enga kiemo chigosherekea in the honor of this mzee moto ikange engakyo yo muchando na mwigure chipiri ne chinene naende epiri ye toye ganyete so tati tobanga matanga yo mugako yo aba matanga arambaya naenda akororekana asengo ne robegete sequence ya Kenya telinga baragie mogo chikoganye ngakyo litukolia matanga nali mogo chokominyoka gocha igobone gwansera sai one bwenje kuigwekerereka barai baito egabana ito simbarati omwempio ito ne president ito ya Kenya ona tekisi community at this moment ote omugako yorarire na ruete buri ocha serikali agateba na asomire abacho korobana chibasiri mwamwete chiari taya agatosomi agasorore serikali ebwate getarie gekeiga etonera asa abacho koraba baye banyari korendo mungino yorware tegaiga ekina kingoro gosorora kwa na serikali na barai baito noterie serikali igoro no ene county wata onde koboko elinda abana na libara turasangi kere ketobwate tokonyo mungino pado no muroire aina roka mbwate naende na aminiri president yeito nanje tabase abachesaji akore ire ibina twasorire mne familia naenda aye ikerani
tusaite hata serikali yetu saite hii watoto yangu mumabatise waende kwa shukuru si mimi ni mgonjwa Mungu anataka anasaidia sisi
toska bose mwancho morigeria ya mate mukuru ase kenyero kiario ntweka emanga ime yabogita ori bunge ababasi county ya Kisii yasabira obokonyi bwabene elio kumanya omwanchi obo konyora obobweni komokonya omwanchi obo konyora obobwenia kubwatikana noborwaire hase emiaka 5 nebere ataranyora obobwenia asanyara ko baga gutwara omochando hase keringa nigo bataranyora chingaki kyokwenekia konyora obokonyi kwenekia konyorare obobwenia
omubere nindwarite omwaka ono yosaba naikire oyong'endere bono yosaba omubere ona jagitura amaguru gutira gocha iga akanya gutira gocha guru nsari gutira ono agatira gocha agatira riko agasari jinsemi agatira agana gutira bakasogera amariko bakamagoko ono Mula temi kwenda kunyakitari bwansansa nyingi gutenyara ono nanyora bugweni bonde
tuteimba konyara kumubeke wote because tariko betu sindani akore ntukare nderuoro ento yato ire challenge nene mangana ye jintetere jiriago tume kase ngenjo yo utanyora mangana sindani ere too expensive
omongina garwara tukuru maega lakini support ene yanga sale nganonya karwar tega ero support mongina no mongina mo support asa konyara asije se jigo ndete yo support yonde because muno mongina ale bolere akoimukwa yo ara se wheelchair ga muna rega na era mo tabu adi njirende yonsi na nduna family asto support ya bakonya kero kene ndu muna abantu asenge nje okoremru goto baga ne ria maya gaki ndwensi ora ramboro koboko ndwensi ora akore kende yonsikeria mbiya mono na sana bakumosini
twari gusaba onde bwensi ring'ani riga riraikere nandu uri no moyo bwo gwancho kuya abeko kobokose family ye iga gusaye tarire aimoki Samuel na mubeka nyagitari endengi yake igo
lakini aso moyo bwo gwancha mura konya tata buna rwarite iga ara konya bwo moyo bwaye bwensi uri no moyo bwo gwancha oranyare gongonya na ncengendere na masomane na bagwancha gongonya erinde go chimutu nyari ngo chenji family yaito nyari ke kororokana buyake atli
Tugoskabasyo mwancho morigeria oyo kabero monachi ebina homonene haiga sense ya Kenya David Maraga nigo wana momochirie moske William Ruto hasikari buna nigo agendrete okorera echecheri chiko hinse yakatibenye yo mwaka bwechiri bubere na Ikomi ase homoske Raila Odinga harwandrete asekeria momochirie William Ruto hasokobeka SAE hase ebill yoko unengia emitandao hegento Maraga arokandre akeirire buna echeche enene hase oko mochia obwene bwa bananchi.
We stand here today as Kenyans who are deeply concerned about the trajectory that our country is taking. A trajectory that is a mockery of the ideals that Right Honorable Raila Odinga fought for. A mockery of the 2010 Constitution that we collectively fought to have and swore to protect and implement. Fellow Kenyans, at exactly the same time that the nation was grappling with the news of the demise of Right Honorable Odinga, President Ruto was in State House signing into law not one, but 8 bills, some of which are quite draconian. What a shame that the president can be doing that when the rest of the country is mourning. And this confirms my assertion that President Ruto has lost legitimacy to continue to lead our beloved country. A president who does not have any regard for the constitution under which he governs has no legitimacy to continue governing this country. We shall not allow the freedoms and the rights of free speech, media, fair hearing, and fair administrative action to be buried silently with Right Honorable Raila Odinga. We are aware that efforts are underway to seek immediate legal redress. We fully endorse those efforts and will render our full support.
Tukoskabosia gati ya basaikurwa se county ya Nairobi nigo baesokirie na kurwa kugosereria ugotinde gocha somora ibwensi ya Kenya muskuli ya Muruto oigo abajumbe habo batebire babere bakurundiria abakenya okwana kurwa se umucho Nairobi nigo bono bagosereria gochia kubatomanka asobo chore bane bo mwaka bwechiri bubere 2025 na ibira.
Will not tolerate going forward. And we are saying this to the young people of this country. Surely, time has come when we need to liberate our country and bring change. This government that people are banking on for governance, for good governance, will not come. So we are saying this, we are ready for 2027, and we are telling President William Samoei Ruto, for as long as you continue to do these theatrics that you're doing at youth empowerments with your deputy president, things that will not are not beneficial to any Kenyan. We are saying this, in 2027, you're going to be the first president to serve Kenya as one term. So we are saying, William Ruto, we know you're a very good historian, and that you are the first deputy president to become the president of the Republic of Kenya. In the same way, in like manner, you are going to become the first president to serve this country for one term. And we know there are programs that the government is planning next year, in 2026. They want to bring Kazi Mtaani, and you know as well, in 2027, there is the AFCON that is coming in Kenya. You want to confuse the young people of this country. And we are saying this, we are focused, we want to change this country. And we are going to make sure in 2027, this parliament, I want to announce, this parliament consistently, members of parliament will be electing people who pretend they are not aware of what they are supposed to do in that parliament. We are saying this in 2027, if you want any seat as a parliamentarian, first of all, you must tell us if you understand the Constitution. If you do not understand the Constitution, you have no business occupying these seats in parliament. And we are saying this, members of parliament, we have understood those games that you're playing. You cannot come to Kenyans and tell us that the government is bad, that William Ruto is a one-term president, and yet you are aware there is Article 127 of the Constitution that clearly states that the president can be summoned through the Speaker of the National Assembly, or the president can be recalled, can be impeached by members of parliament. So do not come to Kenyans and tell them that this government is bad, and yet you know you have the power that has been delegated to you.
Toska bosio hokoboria nigo kwa rurwe gochia segesaku kyo mu Afrika gosemia aba mwabo igoro yamabe yoboroire bwa polio na kubasemia chinchira chogokora hoboroiro bwo imense kolengana na Leonard Thao motendrebe kyombe kya Rotary Club inigo atebire buna oboroiro bwo nonya bore bwekerengo hekenene kigoro hasoro ngoro Afrika ya mocha nabo bakonyora ogotangwa.
At Portland Sports Club to celebrate this important month of the fight against polio. More specifically, the 24th of October is the annual day that is dedicated towards this important initiative. We're here to walk for polio by celebrating the ability, the gift of being able to walk. Walking in terms of having a show of traditional dresses, different outfits. Why is it important? Because 35 years ago, Rotary International decided to take the step to eradicate polio from the face of this earth. And since then, together with partners, we are 99.9% complete on that mission. So us Rotarians, together with other partners, are seeking to just get rid of polio in the few endemic areas that we have together in the world. So wherever you are, take the opportunity to remember that we can save, that we can do something for our children everywhere by simply donating 40 US cents per child to immunize them for life. So we're here to celebrate, and we hope you enjoy.
So my name is Caroline Giro. I'm the president of the Rotary Club of Kitengela. To mark this week of World Polio Day, Rotary clubs from around the world are creating awareness for this wonderful cause. So the Rotary clubs in this region, which is the eastern region of Kenya, have come together to try and create awareness through a Fashion for Polio event. Why a Fashion for Polio? Because we are Africans and we want to tell the story of Africa through our lens. We want to showcase our different cultures because we are coming together to eradicate this disease. Polio is just the second disease in the world to be almost eradicated. We are this close, and we want to ensure that we don't go backwards. We want to ensure that every child is vaccinated. And this week we want to raise not just awareness, but also raise funds for this wonderful initiative. So today we are doing it through fashion, where members are coming up representing all the cultures in Kenya and beyond Africa to be able to tell this story of this cause.
Wanchumurigaria narayo aenekiwe ase chinga kechiga na boigo negati ya ritoganda to kwariganria senjira yobo ikirano gekorogensa eyamo na isato chubut ko bwarero Ishmael Mogere hachiko komanya senjira yobo ikirano kurenda saboniga no to ikiro mwere nchenkuru kwa Clinton ndigi gendro gutware margo bengia na gendro kwegokia nemero beria gendro ta sembeo Soko TV.